So, one of the joys of Tesla ownership is that you get to do your own soundproofing. And for me, this was the problem. This pillar here was a really annoying rattling sound, which you don't hear now, but if you drive, and only if I drive at approximately 120 kph, then there was a rattling sound, and Tesla tried to fix it, the mobile service. What they did is they apparently it's hard to see, but it's that thing there, this one. It's a sort of plasticky thingy like this one here, and it goes into that hole, and then it holds the upholstery in place. But these things connect to this metal hole, and then they vibrate. Very annoying. And as you can see, I have taken the experiment a little bit further, trying to do it with insulated with duct tape and with how do you call that? This insulation tape, actually. It says stock bond, which is a strip to avoid breezes beneath your windows and doors. And I have used an old sponge, and I just cut a part of it, and I've also placed that there. So my hope is that this will fix the problem. Well, if any of you guys have the same problem, you can always let me know, and I will give you some tips. All right, thank you, bye bye.